Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Gemini and confirming you're signed in. Once logged in, go directly to Photos or Library. Locate the album or folder with the image you want removed. You're doing this now because precise location speeds the delete step and avoids mistakes. If multiple devices sync, make sure you choose the device-specific folder when possible. Now that the photo is visible, prepare to select it. Don't tap delete yet. Verify the thumbnail and metadata first. You should use select mode or tap and hold to pick the exact photo. This reduces accidental removes. Once selected, tap the delete or trash icon. Gemini will often move the item to an in-app trash. Make sure to check whether the app warns about synced backups. If so, follow prompts to remove from Cloud 2. After deletion, navigate to trash and choose empty or permanently delete if you want it gone immediately. This two-step approach prevents accidental permanent loss while giving control. Once you've emptied trash or confirmed permanent delete, verify the photo is gone by searching and browsing the album. This confirms completion. If you still see it on other devices, check cloud backups or sync settings and remove the copy there, then resync. If deletion fails, force close Gemini, update the app, or clear cache and retry. These steps fix common glitches. If problems persist, restart your device. Doing that often resolves lock conflicts between.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.